Welcome back. The first thing that we will do, we will just close the home screen dot from here, and we are right on the upload add screen dot, as you guys can see. Now we will create a elevated button. So in order to get that, right below this text, first we will take the actions. Okay, right in the actions we will say if next. Okay, if next will be equal to true, then right in if we will show the empty container in order to if next will be true. So in here we will take the container widget, and right on the flip side we will take the else, and we will say if next will be false, then we will take the elevated button. Okay, so in here let's take the elevated button. It is going to take the on press event, and as you guys can see the child. For now we will just remove that and we will add it one by one just in a while. So right in the elevated button, first we will take the on press event right in here. For now we will just leave this empty. First we will complete the UI design, and then we will come back right to this on press event. For now on we will complete the UI design. Let me just rearrange that. So right in if there is a container, and right in else move it to the left side like that with the if and else. Okay, that is fine. And right down in here the elevated button, and as I told you already, we will leave the on press event for now empty. First we will complete the UI design. Now right down in here we will have a child, and right in the child we will take the text widget. Okay, so right in there for the elevated button we will choose the text. So in here string, write it and comma, and right in there we will tag the text as a next. Okay, that is fine. Now I have already hot reload the app, so I'll just press the Ctrl S and you guys will notice the text button right down in here. Okay, as we tag it as a actions. Okay, now Ctrl S, and there we go. As you guys can see the text elevated button right in here. Now I'll just modify the style for that. So in here style, and as usual text style in here, and first we will just set the font size. We will set it to 19, and also we will set the color. Let's go with the colors dot. We will go with the black 54, as you guys can see. Now also let's provide the font family for that. So in here string, and we will tag the varela. Okay, as you guys can see right in here. So let's tag this down one by one so that you guys can see it easily. Okay, all just good like that. And in here add the const modifier in order to remove those yellow lines, so the code will be clean then, as you guys can see. Okay, now press the Ctrl S and you guys will notice the changes. Okay, for this elevated text button. Now Ctrl S, and there we go. It's now more beautiful than before. And also we can choose the Babas. Let's check that how it will look. Ctrl S. Next, I think Varela was good more. That is fine. Ctrl S, and there we go. It's working totally fine, and you guys can see that. So we are done with the elevated button. Okay, for now on the next is equal to false, so that's why it tags that else and show that elevated button right in here. Okay, let me just show you right above in here. Okay, next is equal to false for now. So if it's equal to false, then right in else we will show that, and you guys can see the result. So basically that's it for this video. Right from the next video we will work further. So see ya.